What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. You want to know how to control outdoor lights from your smartphone? Well, the answer is as simple as getting one of these smart outdoor outlets. I got this from Benuo. I've checked out their stuff before and really liked it. So I thought, why not check this bad boy out too? So this is a outdoor plug that you can use, and you can get smart plugs all over, but really for the outdoor use, you want to be careful so that you don't short out anything, you don't burn down your house or anything like that. So here is the Benuo outdoor smart plug, and as you can see, it's pretty small. It's about the size of like a phone, but it's much thicker. Maybe not even a phone. It's more like a bar of soap is really what it's like. Nice plastic construction. It's got a small, like 7-inch here extension cord with a grounded outlet right there, 3-prong. And so seems all very heavy duty. We've got a rubberized power button right there. Looks like a little LED light right there. And then on this side we have 4 little rubber pads if it's going to sit on the ground, and then a little keyhole right there if you want to hang it actually up, say on a wall, just put a screw into the wall. Now right here is where you're going to get the power end of it, and so you can see we have a grounded 3-prong outlet right there, so we can plug in basically anything we want. And the nice thing about this is we all have a lot of outdoor things, from patio lights to other electronics. Maybe you've got a speaker, an outdoor speaker system or something like that, so it could be just about anything. But basically I wanted to show it to you with an outdoor string light, which is kind of what I think a lot of us will use. Now, to get this set up and working, you are going to absolutely need to download their app first to get this bad boy going. And they do have this instruction booklet here. Obviously, you can see it works with a bunch of stuff, and you can see here the instructions of how to do it. Now, to get the Smart Life app, you can scan one of these QR codes. I'm going to scan it for the Apple Store here, and let's get it installed. All right, now because I use some of these other Smart Life devices, everything from smart outlets to something like this, I already had the app downloaded, and so basically I've just gone ahead and plugged it in. You can see this red light that's on. What I think we'll have to do is I'm going to just tap the plus button here to add a new device, which is going to be an electrical outlet, and my indicator is not rapidly blinking, so I'm going to hold this down for 5 seconds, which should put me into pairing mode. All right, connect it to my network. Now I think it's looking for my device, and it says it's found, and it added it successfully here. So awesome, we've got it set up. Now I am going to plug in an outdoor string light. I actually pulled these in from outside. It's a little too cold to go outside ourselves, and so let's just see if this little outdoor electrical socket works. It says it's off. If I tap this, boom, look at that. Booyah, it's on and off. Just as easy as doing that. I can rename it. I can put it on a schedule. I can do all sorts of other things. In fact, if I go here where I've got all my other devices, I can have it with all my other devices and turn it off right from here, on or off. So the nice thing is, if you plug this sucker in, you're sitting on your porch, the sun goes down, you can just say, hey, I want to turn these on. You don't have to get up, flip a switch, especially sometimes the outlets are on a different level, or the light switch, even though the outlet is on one floor, is on a different level. So this just makes it that much easier. Check it out. I really love these things. It's just that easy to set it up. I'll put a link to it in the description. Peter Von Panda, out.